You're probably using Adobe Creative Cloud if you're a creator of any kind. Photoshop, Lightroom, and Premiere Pro, whether you like them or not, have become industry standards for photography, digital art, and video creation. There is also no one-size-fits-all PC for Creative Cloud, as the nature of the work that artists do will differ. Nonetheless, these are some of the finest PC for Adobe Creative Cloud, as they will run the majority of the tools it offers without a hitch. If you're on the market for a new laptop to run Adobe XD, we got you covered. Whether you're looking for the budget option or the greatest one, we have an option for you. So let's get started. If there's a god-tier laptop for creators out there right now, this is it. While the Razer Blade 15 is primarily promoted as a gaming laptop, its high-end specifications and elegant appearance make it an excellent pick for creative work as well. The Razer Blade 15 is simply the finest if you want maximal power and aren't concerned about the cost. It has 12th generation Intel H-series i7 and i9 CPU, as well as NVIDIA RTX 30 series GPU, up to 32 gigs of superfast DDR5 memory, and up to 1 terabyte of SSD storage. This is without a doubt one of the most powerful laptops for creators and gamers on the market, and it can handle everything you throw at it. The Blade 15 also has a range of spectacular displays, including 360Hz FHD panels, balanced 240Hz QHD panels, and breathtaking 60Hz OLED UHD 4K displays. All of the laptop's selectable displays feature excellent color gamuts, contrast, and brightness, assuring that you'll be more than satisfied when rendering, editing video, or performing other jobs. The Surface Pro 8 offers a stunning 13-inch 2880 by 1920 3:2 display with a 120Hz option, 11th Gen Intel Core i5 or i7 processors, up to 32 gigs of RAM, and a 1 terabit of SSD, so it's ideal for picture editing and other creative cloud-based tasks. If you buy the supplementary keyboard and pen, it's also a terrific 2-in-1 for web browsing on the couch as a tablet, video editing, and productivity tasks. The Surface Pro 8 continues to use Microsoft's flagship 2-in-1 form factor, which was initially popularized in 2012. It has a kickstand around the back and a detachable keyboard with a touchpad that converts the Surface Pro into a convertible PC. The slim pen and optional Surface Dial are vital peripherals for Adobe Suite creators utilizing the Surface Pro 8. There's also a USB-C Thunderbolt 4 port, a USB-A port, a Surface Connect port, and a micro SD card expansion slot if you need more storage. Slimmer bezels and a larger display have been added to the design for the current edition. The Surface Pro 8 personifies the concept of a powerful laptop housed within a tablet's form. Photographers and videographers must be able to view their subjects. In that case, the Dell XPS 15's stunning 4K display is a no-brainer. The 1080p version, on the other hand, is still rather good. Regardless of which panel you choose, the XPS 15 is an easy recommendation for anyone looking for design and performance in a laptop. The most recent model now includes Intel's 12th generation H-series processors, as well as an NVIDIA RTX 3050 or 3050 Ti GPU with 4 gigs of VRAM. This results in a laptop capable of heavy design and editing tasks. Given the laptop size, the 86 watt-hour battery is likewise quite large. The XPS 15 also features a new 16:10 display with virtually no bezels, all while remaining housed in a beautifully designed and solidly manufactured chassis. There's even some upgradability, and even if there's no official pen compatibility, this is still a fantastic, incredibly portable editing machine. Did this video help you find what you were looking for? If so, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Have a great day.